Good Tuesday morning. You're looking live northward. Here's our Gwaltney Group camera from downtown Rochester. Fresh coating of snow downtown. We actually had just a spot or two of freezing drizzle here at the station, but no snowfall. Downtown and some spots south in Rochester had a minor coating overnight into the very early morning hours here on our Tuesday morning. So an interesting situation all around. The radar pretty quiet, but that's not something, this type of precipitation. A lot of times these really low-level spots of freezing drizzle, flurries and light snow showers sometimes don't show up all that well on radar. But here are sky conditions, current surface observations. Rochester is still reporting freezing drizzle. We've had that intermittently going back as far as about midnight, 2 a.m. at times, and so we can expect that again until mid-morning. Some flurries and very light snow showers going out to the west around Albert Lee at this point. Again, I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Today we're looking at that little bit of a coating first thing this morning. Some slick road conditions still going on to kick off our Tuesday. The rest of the day, beyond around 9 or 10 o'clock, looks a whole lot better, but keep in mind things may be just a little messy first thing this morning. Beyond this, today and even tomorrow look pretty good before our next round of snow comes up, something maybe measurable. That'll be on Thursday evening into Friday, so we get a lull in the action here after this morning. But right now, kind of a gloomy situation. Temperatures haven't moved very much since last night. We've been in the upper teens and on our way to the low, and in some cases mid-20s today. But overall, a fairly benign day. Just a couple of slick spots at the roads first thing this morning as we look northward from our studio. A lot of murkiness to go around. 17 degrees right now in Rochester. It's 21 in Winona, Mason City 15, Dodge Center 16. The winds are pretty light, but we do have that freezing drizzle noted at the airport. It feels like 6. Air pressure is steady. Visibility has gotten worse actually in the last hour. We've had pretty decent visibility all night long, all morning long, until we get to about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. And right now it's almost 8:30 as I record this. And we see the visibility dropping off a mile and a half, mile and a quarter here in Rochester. Albert Lee, less than 2 miles. So with that low-level precipitation, also some fog and low clouds, reducing visibility. And again, that goes on through the mid-morning, maybe another hour or two of that. Wind chill, single digits in teens across the map. Not much wind, but certainly not much visibility. Look at how murky it's looking from Assisi Heights right now. A little that freezing drizzle mixture, maybe some very light snow showers and flurries through about 10 o'clock, then drier this afternoon. High temperatures around 23, sunset 5:14. Look at the radar over the last few hours. Things are downright quiet. You really don't see much depiction of that precipitation to the west. That's where all the snow is accumulating in the plains. That's the system that will actually graze us to the west and stay just west of us by early tomorrow. But today, freezing drizzle early. Mid part of the week looks dry. Next round of snow, again, late Thursday evening into Friday, and then things do warm up for the weekend as well. I even see perhaps even some sunshine. Almost seems too good to be true at this point. But yes, it is out there down the road. 17 in Rochester, Des Moines, 23. 32 North Platte. Here's futurecast high pressure settling in. Some snow showers going out of the west. Those will be very early tomorrow. Few snowflakes, maybe kind of grazing our area, but I think at this point just west of our area through very early Wednesday. Drier for the rest of tomorrow and through most of Thursday. Next storm system zips in for the northwest. That'll impact us after sunset Thursday evening through Friday with a minor coating of snow. Here's the outlook, the longer range of the American model, the GFS. We reach out to Thursday evening and a Friday morning, get that coating of as much as an inch of snow through the course of Thursday night and Friday. By the time we get to Friday night, we're pretty much done. And then Saturday, dry, and Sunday, there's our chance for some sunshine. That may be the warmest day of the next 7 to 10 days. But 23 in Rochester, Mason City 21, Decorah 24, some freezing drizzle at first, and a few spots of low clouds and fog, reducing visibility. 23, which is actually pretty much the typical high for this time of the year. Light and variable winds tonight, a low of 19. And tomorrow, 26, light winds, gray skies. Will be warming up a little bit as we get closer to the weekend. Evening snow Thursday into Friday. Another chance of rain snow mixture with a cold front. That's late Monday. Behind that front, this looks like next Tuesday and Wednesday will feature temperatures colder than average, maybe even teens for highs, and getting close to 0 for those lows for the middle of next week. So it's not going to stay that warm for very long, but at least for the weekend, those look pretty good. And again, Groundhog Day Sunday, the warmest of them all. You get to enjoy some sunshine and something above freezing for a while. Maybe a good day to spend a little bit of time outside before the Super Bowl. Of course, that comes up after sunset anyway. plenty of time to do that. Coming up on, and of course that's going to be on Fox 47. So exciting stuff there. 5:30 kickoff on Sunday for that Super Bowl 54. In the meantime, be safe on the roads today. Enjoy the quieter weather this afternoon, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.